It's now 12:34 p.m. Tuesday, August 4th, 2020. Wow, almost August 9th, my birthday. Okay. So. Anyway. Okay. I put a bag over that ticket. I think it's a ticket, yeah. And I'm mowing the outside of my property. And then other bullshit about fire hazard. Put it around there, taped it up. Nice. Protect it. From the storm. He puts it up during a storm and he didn't even hand it to me. That's not a process server. That's idiotic. Tickets up there. Up there today. Anyway. So that's that. That should hold it through the storm, but who knows? Not that I give a damn, but they got me I tell you, you gotta lock out the sickos. Not all my gates are locked at all times. Got another one around side. So, I just gotta protect my dogs. People open the damn gate. I don't want my dogs getting out. And I don't want coming in and getting bit. Freedom, you eating grass, boy? So, hey, Douglas. Hey, baby. Come on in. Alright, that's it. I'm Honest Frank of honestfrank.com. Be good and you'll be happy. Otherwise, forget it. You can't be evil and happy. It's only temporary sick high. If you want a real high, you got to be good all the time. Like, yeah, you got to be honest and frank in a good way. In a good way. That's it. Bye.